In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a macro in LibreOffice Calc. Start by launching LibreOffice Calc. If you already have a spreadsheet you want to automate, open it. Otherwise, create a new blank sheet. Macros can be saved inside a specific document or available globally, so it helps to begin in the file where you want the automation to live. Before recording, enable the recorder. Go to the Tools menu, choose Options. Then in the left sidebar, select LibreOffice and click Advanced. In the Optional Features section, check Enable Macro Recording and click OK to apply the change. This turns on Calc's built-in recorder. Keep in mind, the recorder is designed for straightforward user interface actions, things like selecting cells, typing text, applying formats, and entering simple formulas. Some complex dialogues or external windows may not be captured. Now start recording. Go to Tools, point to Macros, and click Record Macro. A small record macro dialog appears with a Stop Recording button. Leave this dialog open. It indicates that recording is active. From this point, every supported action you perform is captured in sequence, so work deliberately. Perform the steps you want to automate. Select the cells you need, apply number or date formats, adjust column widths, type headers or labels, and enter any formulas. Try to keep your actions consistent and repeatable. If you rely on selections, make sure you click exactly where the task should begin, because macros often depend on the active cell and sheet at the time of recording. When you're finished, click Stop Recording in the small dialog. The LibreOffice Basic Macros window will open so you can store your macro. First, choose the location. Saving to the current document embeds the macro in this file, which is useful if you plan to share the spreadsheet and want the automation to travel with it. Saving under My Macros stores it globally on your computer, making it available to other Calc documents you open on this system. Next, enter a macro name. Use a short, descriptive name that starts with a letter and avoids spaces or special characters. A clear name makes it easier to recognize and manage later. Finally, click Save. Your macro is now recorded and stored, ready to repeat those exact steps for you whenever needed. That's the whole process. Launch Calc, open or create your file, enable recording, record the actions you need, stop, choose where to store it, name it, and save. Start with simple, everyday tasks, and you'll quickly build time-saving automations that keep your spreadsheets consistent and error-free.